نقطة عليه
efficiency, and this happens when your water management is not correct, so that the plant is evaporating too much water and the calcium is not flowing in the plant, and that's why water, it's really a crop which needs your support. And this also here we are seeing now small effect is not terrible, but it gives you already an information that you have to improve your water management. It should never fall dry, so there must be no stress. Cauliflower must always be pampered like a baby. Yeah, correct.
So نشتي منكت حدا نر لنا عملت
هلا هو بعلني
Okay, here, yes.
ማይ بعقو بترጋጋሚ ዋኑ ክነስትዮ ከም ዘለና ምልክት እዩ እዚ ናይ ካልሽየም ሕጽረት ስለዘሎ ስለዚ ናይ ካልሽየም ሕጽረት ንኸይፍጠር ኩሉ ግዜ ማይ ከም ህፃን ናተኸታተልካ ምስታይ ይድሊ አበል ክሳይ
Yeah. So if you produce a plant like this, then later on you see here there is the curd. I will cut it down to you to show it, very small. It's like a miracle, yeah? But here is your cauliflower inside, twisted, and here we are.
ገና ስለሆነ
Yeah?
ገና ስለሆነ
So it's coming. It's coming, but it needs a big factory to produce a good and heavy cauliflower.
بدم معي of course وقتو ገና ኢና ንሪሉ ዘለና ሕዚ ስለዚ ብንሽተይ ይመጽ ይዓቢ ምህላው ስለዚ ዓብይ ፋብሪካ ይልካል ኢልና ንሕሰቦ ዋና ፍረ ንኽብ ሞር ማይ ምክብኻብ ተኸታታሊ ሙሳድ እዚ ሳይዝ ዓቢ ሜቢ ለማዓት ከደ ማለት
48 ተመሳሳሊ ምስታኮም
48 معلتي ነገርና መርተው ክንደይ معلتي
3 ወር
9 معلتي ስለዚ ኦልሞስት ናይ ሓደ ወርሕን 10 معلتي ይغሪና ማለት هو الفلوس يزرع
So the twisting of the leaf is because the sunshine should not reach the flower, because you want to sell a white cauliflower, not a creamy or yellow. You need the white. Yeah, and there are some varieties on the market where you need to protect it like this. Yeah, so the flower is showing a bit earlier. Our varieties at the moment, Chambord, we have Casper, we have different varieties. We have the twisting effect that it's self-covering, so you don't have to do this here.
ሓደ ካውሊፍላወራታት ናይ ካልኦት ማለት ዘውዝኒ ካውሊፍላወር ምስ ዓበየ ፀሓይ ክውዕይሉ ፀሓይ ተውዕይዎ ናብ ብጫ ይቕየር ኣብ ዕዳጋ ዝተጠላምነት ዘለዎ ፃዕዳ እንትኾን ፃዕዳ ንክኸውን ፀሓይ ከይውዖ ገልገሊኦም እንታይ ይገብሩ ካልኦት ዓሌታት ዝቆፅሉ ንክሽፍኖ ከምዚ እናሰወሩ ይሽፍንዎ ማለት እዩ ቆፅለምፂና ንሽፍኖ ዓይነት ነገር ግን ዘውዝኒ ዓሌት ባዕሉ ናተተወየ ናሸፈነ ንርቲ እስካብ ዝህብ ይغير ማለት ስለዚ ንከምዚ ዓይነት ምሽፋን ወይ ናይ ጉልበት ስራሕ ተወሳኺ የድልዮን ባዕሉ ናይ ምሽፋን ዓቕሚ ኣለዎ
We have a variety Monera. It is also registered. It is faster, but that needs also the cracking. Yeah, because it's very fast and you need to protect it. The Chambord is self-covered. Yeah.
Like كم عينت بعدنا نشوفونه نسوي جن حد مونير أزبال برايت لنا كم عينت تقول زلوا سلازي نسمعته نكشفني كم نقولكم توليلو نرتون زبي زي وسيلي سلازي سو عينت برايت ون متكام نخلينا سو مونير يبال تشامبور يبال تشامبور بعد تشوفون واحد.
So if I compare the cauliflower to the broccoli in the marketing, the cauliflower is easier. because you can put it in your storage or in your house, whatever, even without cooling. The cauliflower has a good shelf life. Yeah, very different to the broccoli. So that's why cauliflower is globally for growers the more easy crop actually, and also people eat it a lot. I think there is probably also a good cauliflower market in Ethiopia, or not, still developing. Yeah, like if you look to India, India is eating cauliflower every day. Unbelievable, these people. And now they are stepping into the broccoli a little bit, but they love the cauliflower because you can eat it like meat. You can, yeah, mix it with other crops. So it's interesting, and we are also developing other colors. So we also have in the future, we have a green cauliflower, we have a violet cauliflower, and an orange is coming. So it's a wide diversity. So when we start this market, it will be an interesting future.
ስለዚህ ካውሊፍላወር በቀሊሉ እና ጊዜ ኣብ ሸልፍ ላይ ምርት ምሰበለው ሃርቨስት ምስገርና በቃ ምስላናዮ ጸንሕ ይኸል ጊዜ ኸና ይኸል ንዕዳጋውን ተይቲ ተጋጋ አንቶይ ቶሎና ዕዳጋ ወጽሎ ኢልና ብሮኮሊ ኣብ ካውሊፍላወር ኩሉ ዛክል ምጭና ቀየለና ማለት ምርት ምሳሌ ኣብ ዝኾነ ቦታው ናይ ምስራሕ ዕድል ኣለዎ ስለዚህ በቀሊሉ ናይ ምትፈሩን ዝኽእል ዓይነት ዓለት እዩ ካሊ ኣብ ቀጻሊ ኦፍ ኮርስ ገና ኣብዚ ኣብ ዕዋይና ፍላት ስራሕታት ቀጻሊ ግን ብከለር ናውነት እዚ ብጻዕዳ እዩ መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ ተጥል ብቆጻል ዓይነት ካውሊፍላወር ፒንክ ወይ ከዓ ብቀይሕ ዓይነት ካውሊፍላወር and بتفلالي كالرات ومقاري كالي already أو كالي عالم أو درجة وتحمله إحنا تصعدون يجبرنا